How to delete all Google Photos at once. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Google Photos. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now first of all, let me select one picture. You can see the option of delete. If you click on it, it will only delete one picture. In order to delete them all, what you want to do is slide all the way down to the bottom. Select the very first picture and then slide the bottom towards upward. Once the items start to select, click on the very top of the screen. Well, it will select all of the pictures that you have got on Google Photos. Once it has been selected, click on delete and then click on got it. Once again, the option of delete will be visible to you. If you really want to delete all of them, click on delete and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete all of the Google Photos at once. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.